If you want to turn on or turn off push notifications on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps on desktop so you can control which alerts you get and which ones you don't. This is really helpful if you want to stay updated on the likes, mentions, reposts, or replies without getting overwhelmed by every notification. And if you enjoy simple tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos. Let's get into it. First, open X in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main feed, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll need to click the More icon, which is the three dots inside a circle. This opens up extra account options. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account privacy and notification settings in one place. After that, look for Notifications in the middle panel and click it. This section controls how X alerts you about activity on your account. Next, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see different notification settings you can customize. Now choose Push Notifications. This is the exact area where you can manage notifications that appear on your device or browser. To turn push notifications on, find the main toggle at the top and switch it on. Once it's enabled, you can also choose the specific types of alerts you want to receive. For example, you can turn on notifications for likes, mentions, reposts, follows, or other activity, depending on what X shows you. This is great if you want only the important alerts and not everything all at once. If you want to turn push notifications off, just use that same main toggle at the top and switch it off. As soon as you do that, push notifications will stop. This is the fastest way to reduce interruptions if you're getting too many alerts or if you simply want a quieter experience on X. Now, there's one more important step if you're using X on a PC. Push notifications in your browser also depend on browser permissions, so if X asks for permission to show notifications, click Allow. If you don't see a prompt, you can check manually by clicking the padlock icon or the settings icon next to the website address in your browser. Make sure notifications is set to Allow or On. If your browser blocks notifications, X may not be able to send them even if the setting is turned on inside the site. So just to recap, the path is More, then Settings and Privacy, then Notifications, then Preferences, and finally Push Notifications. From there, toggle them on or off depending on what you want. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to go. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. And if you want, check out our other guides for social media settings, app tips, and account customization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.